I'm bored today.
Me too. Oh, I got a good idea.
What is it?
How about we watch the 13 Ghosts of Scooby-Doo?
13 Ghosts? No way!
What would you rather watch instead?
Oh, I think we know.
Yeah, this is a perfect one.
We are watching Max and Ruby. Everybody loves winter.
We are not watching Max and Ruby. That's Nick Jr. And I don't watch Nick Jr. that much. I only watch Scooby-Doo. Okay?
But we want to watch...
Oh no! I don't want to hear it. I don't want to hear it. We're gonna watch the 13 Ghosts of Scooby-Doo, and that's final. Okay then. Put in the stupid disc. Okay. There. The 13 Ghosts of Scooby-Doo Complete Series, Disc 2. And let me put in the disc. I'm so excited, Alright, I'm about to put in the disc. Alright. Oh my god, it's about to start! Oh my god! The 13 Ghosts of Scooby-Doo Disc 2 sucks!
I know, right?
Hey, what's the matter with you two?
We don't want to watch the 13 Ghosts of Scooby-Doo Disc 2.
Too bad. So sad. I put in the disc anyways.
Thank you, Velma.
We're just solving mysteries. All the kids are doing it.
No, they're not. We're not saying find new friends.
Yes, we are. Find new friends. The gang is misunderstood.
We only got one thing on our minds.
Solving mysteries and building traps.
That's two things, Fred.
We have a mystery on our hands.
Oh my god! Scooby-Doo Mystery Incorporated sucks!
I know, right? We rather watch Max and Ruby instead.
There it is! Oh, I'm gonna put in the disc. I'm playing it. Alright, birds. You ready to be scared?
I don't know about this.
Yeah, me too!
Well, it's too late. I'm gonna press the A button and...
This is a warning to all living mortals that whosoever opens this chest of demons will release 13 of the most terrifying ghosts upon the face of the earth. Let's get him, Bogle! I'm with you, favorite! Only you can return the demons to the chest. Because you let them out. The 13 Ghosts of Scooby-Doo.
Oh my god! Not the 13 Ghosts of Scooby-Doo!
Yeah, I don't like that TV show.
Yeah, me neither!
Will you two shut up? Stupid birds.
We thought you'd never get here. Welcome to New Orleans. This here's the Wharton Warlock Hotel. And just wait till our new boss arrives. She's gonna start some real trouble, right, Weird? Right, Foggle? And we're gonna help her.
All right.
What an honor! Mr. Van Gool being selected Warlock of the Year. Well, after all, Scrappy, he is the most powerful warlock in the world. That's my Vince. Oh, what a
Oh my god! I really hate Scrappy.
I know, he's the worst character ever.
I know, right? In the franchise of 13 Ghosts of Scooby-Doo, and even the Scooby-Doo movie.
Yeah, he was so worse back then, in 2002.
I know. It's just crazy.
I'm kind of a magician myself. Would you like to see another trick?
Tell me perfectly, Frank. No.
I'm glad to meet you, Frank. I tell you what, I'll make that plate of food disappear right in front of your eyes.
Oh, yeah? No.
With the help of my assistant.
That's our service.
Ta-da!
That's what I eat. I'm getting a little tired.
Oldest Warlock friends, Victor Boudin.
Hello.
The pleasure is all mine. Yo, it's my design.
Oh my god. Scooby-Doo is asleep.
You know what that means?
Yes, we shall put in the Maxim movie every winter from
My friend, you said a
or every bunny around winter. Yeah, let's do it. Let's put in that stupid disc.
Yeah, that would be way more better than that 13 Ghosts of Scooby-Doo.
Let's do it.
Right this way.
Ugh. Stupid 13 Ghosts of Scooby-Doo. And screw Scrappy. No one likes Scrappy.
Yeah.
I call it the
alright.
trance of love. Observe.
Ha ha ha. I'm gonna do this. Goodbye, 13 Ghosts of Scooby-Doo, Disc 2. Ha 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 ha. Alright, it's time to put it in the disc. Ha 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 ha.
Dora, Diego, and Kai Lan too. These friends and more are waiting for you. Now you can watch all of your favorite Nickelodeon shows with these special DVDs. This calls for a celebration. Dance party! All your friends together on fun-filled collections, including Sleepy Time Stories.
You have to count the stars.
All about fall.
It must be time for a Halloween party.
All-Star Sports Day.
Yes! Awesome!
And Celebrate Family.
It's Mother's Day, Bobos!
Each DVD is packed with hand-picked episodes.
Yes!
Let's start soccer practice.
You can bring home the friends.
Hey guys, I'm Tony.
The music.
La-di-da!
The action.
Whoa!
And more friends. All your favorite Nickelodeon preschool shows are available now on DVD. And be on the lookout for more exciting DVDs coming soon.
New from Nickelodeon, it's Nihao Kai-Lan, and she's available now on DVD.
You make my heart feel super happy.
Meet Kai-Lan. She's ready to learn and play along with you. And it's even better when her friends are there too. There's her best pal Rintu,
Roar!
Totally, Ho-Ho, and her wise grandpa Yaya.
You and Tolly are super good helpers.
There are lots of super neat things you can do when you go on a super exciting adventure with Kai-Lan. You can learn how to speak Chinese.
Do you want to know how I say red in Chinese? Hong Se. Now you try it.
You can learn how to feel happy instead of feeling mad.
You're our friend, Tolly. We're going to help you.
And how to jump, jump, jump high to the sky.
Come on, let's go, go, go.
Nihao Kailan is available on DVD for the first time ever in super special days. And be on the lookout for more DVDs coming soon.
再见.
DVD. The Backyardigans join the Adventurers Club DVD.
On the greatest expedition ever.
Join Tyrone and his fellow explorers
Follow the feather.
Follow the feather.
as they dance and sing on an imaginary quest to find the mystical flying polka-dotted pony.
This way, adventurers.
Plus, get 2 Team Umi-Zoomy music videos.
Telephone.
The Backyardigans join the Adventurers Club. Available now on DVD.
Hi, I'm Dora.
Let's explore 8 of Dora's greatest adventures. Available now on DVD.
Come on, follow us.
Join Dora and Boots as they embark on their voyage
Sharks.
over tall mountains
How are we going to get over Dragon Mountain?
and through fierce snowstorms,
We can do it.
saving their star friends along the way.
Don't worry, we're coming for you, woohoo.
Let's explore 8 of Dora's greatest adventures. Available now on DVD.
Alright, it's starting. We're about to start this. I know, right? Alright, only one. What? Never mind.
Max and Ruby. Ruby and Max. Max and Ruby. Ruby and Max. Max and Ruby.
Ruby and her little brother Max.
Max and Ruby.
Ruby Snow Bunny. Perfect spot to build our snow bunny, don't you think, Max? Sled?
That was a good
Don't
nap.
worry. We're going sledding right after
What?
we make a snow bunny. Huh? Not just a normal snow
Mm,
bunny. We're going
Max,
to make
screw you, Max and Ruby!
And we can't do that without your help.
Two stupid birds that changed
Come on,
this.
Max.
Oh
Help me
my
roll up
God.
a big snowball for the snow bunny's bottom.
Birds, you get in here! Space Bombird and Bluebird.
Now I see.
What is on right now?
Pushing it uphill.
The 13th Ghost of Scooby-Doo! Where is it? Oh, I put it
Better
back.
be careful it doesn't get away.
Oh.
It from this side.
Oh my God, you
Okay,
two.
Start
How
pushing.
dare you change a 13 Ghosts of Scooby-Doo Disc 2 to Max and Ruby,
Keep pushing,
Love Bunny,
Max.
Winter.
Hey, Max.
That is it!
Hi.
You are
Volunteer.
grounded. On the ground. For a whole eternity. Forever, what I'm saying. Oh no! What have you done? Yeah,
That was close.
and we're gonna watch 13 Ghosts of Scooby-Doo
Let's
again,
finish our snow
since
bunny.
you ruined my day.
Max, we can't leave him like
We are
this.
so sorry, sir. Apology not accepted!
We don't want to leave our
I'm so mad at you
no
too.
middle or
I
head.
can't believe you did this. That's it. I'm putting back the disc in.
The perfect
You
spot
better
to build
not.
it, too.
Oh yes, I am. I'm gonna put back 13 Ghosts of Scooby-Doo
This is just
Disc 2 as your punishment. No. Please don't do it. We'll get Peeves another chance. Never. Put this one back. Yeah. We're watching the 13 Ghosts of Scooby-Doo, and that's final. No more. These two. Gosh.
No more Max and Ruby. I hate Max and Ruby. I like Scooby-Doo better.
Oh, come on! Not this again!
I know, right? It's Mysteries Incorporated.
Captain Cutler, Miner, 49er, Charlie the Hunt.
We're just solving
That's it.
mysteries.
As your punishment, I'm gonna throw you down on the ground.
What?
Find new friends.
Yes, we are.
What?
Find new friends.
Alright, this is your punishment for today. I'm gonna throw you, and you're gonna land in your butts.
What? No! My butt! My butt too! It hurts!
Oh, too bad, you two. Now we're gonna watch the whole episode. The whole entire episode series. And look, it's about to begin. Don't you dare!
Too late.
Oh my god! No!
This is a warning to all living mortals. That whosoever
You watch
opens
13
this
Ghosts of
chest of
Scooby-Doo with me
demons
right now.
will release 13 of the most terrifying
Oh my
ghosts
gosh.
on the face of the earth.
Let's get him, Bogle. On with you, Weaver.
Only you can return the demons to the chest. Because you let them out.
Oh, come on! Not Scrappy-Doo again. I really hate that character.
Me too.
Shut up, you two birds! We are watching this and that's the Capital Final.
The 13
Oh man!
Scooby-Doo.
When 13 Ghosts of Scooby-Doo Disc 2 was finally almost over.
It was just me, guys. This button makes the whole stage turn around. There's another set just like it backstage. That's how the chest of demons was stolen. Am I right, Boris?
All right. I pushed the button last night while the lights were out.
That's how the chest was made to disappear, and how the Scooby Snacks ended up on stage when I left them backstage.
Oh, the shame of it all. How could I betray a friend like you, Vincent? And how can I ever repay you for all the trouble I've caused?
I don't know.
And what makes the whole thing
Yeah, I don't know either. Oh my god. We're grounded, Big Bird. Blue Bird.
I know, right? We should have watched the Scooby-Doo Ghosts of Scooby-Doo instead of that Max and Ruby.
Looks like you guys were the
I know.
stars of the show.
Ugh, so dumb.
Have foiled the schemes of ghosts and men, led by one so brave and true, no one else but
Scooby-Dooby-Doo.
Scooby-Doo! Alright guys, that was good. Yeah. You're still grounded.
No!
Boo!